finally, we got the complete block for this one. We're going to use the new crank on this one, new pistons, new piston rings, also new connecting rods on this one. Dealers don't have it, and we got to have it. So we put the new bearings, even the connecting rod bearings, main bearings, everything is new on this one. Just the block is old. So that's what we're going to do it. For the heads, we already cleaned up all the carbon. We're going to relap it again. And this thing gonna up and running probably next week, because you see the tear part on this one. You can see everything on the floor right now. Even we have to take out the transmission and the transfer case for any of the EcoDiesels. If you guys do have any of the EcoDiesels and it sit down in your driveway just because the engine is blown, don't worry, Mrik will cover it. We'll fix it like this. All we need is a block and a couple of other parts. That's what this customer was waiting from almost 4 months. Finally, everything is here, and we're going to make a rebuild quick as possible because the parts on this was almost like a week away. So that's what we wait for. But now everything is packed up. We put the pistons already inside with the crank and the bottom, this pan page. And after that, we're going to put the engine pump, oil pump underneath too. We always put the oil pump in this one just because this previous motor was failure just because of the oil pump. Any of the EcoDiesel, they're pretty common for the oil pumps. So that's why we're going to replace it with a brand new one from Dodge. If you want any of the similar fixtures, rebuilds, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We have an inventory for every LS motors, EcoDiesels, 5.7 Hemis, you name it, we'll have it. On to the next car. Very common problem in the Pilot from 2010 to 2020, especially this shape. If you own any of these ones, this is 2014. Common problem with the steering line failure. Most of the time, the return line got corroded just because of the weather. So this customer, they got an insane leak. We put the tray right under. So they just came in like dripping all the time. So they put 1 liter every 40 kilometers and they book an appointment and they ready to install the new part. So we order it. We're gonna change both the pressure and the return line on this one. Also, the front 2 ball joints. We're throwing a free inspection on the car for the customer in order to get a better quality, safe for the futuristic thing. So both of the front ball joint need to get changed. If you guys do have any of the similar Pilots and you wondering what's happening with your steering thing, don't forget Mrik. We're happy to help you out. And we have another option to fix those ones. We have the custom lines too to get rid of those corrosion. It all depends how much money customer want to put it in. But any of the similar cars, if you want to get it fixed, we're happy to help you out. Contact Mrik on your appointment. On to the next car.
Hello everybody, here you have this Mazda and it had a very insane AC leak, and we finally get the pipe that was keep on leaking fixed properly because this customer went to another shop. They paid so much and they ruined the whole AC thing too. And then he went to our shop. We gave a very good bill on it. So now we're gonna fix it up, and when we fix it up, it's gonna drive smooth, good, and mint condition. Let's move to the next car.
All right, folks, we have this beautiful 2016 STI. It's a WRX. It's one of 700 made in Canada. Rare color. It's a hyper blue. And this is tuned one. And we got here for completely wrecked by some other shop. So this customer originally went to another shop for a complete oil change, filters, and after they got the oil change, they forget the bottom plate to put it on. When the customer drive out, they feel the rattling sound comes out. So the bottom plate right now it's damaged by other place. Other thing, they got a super loud noise start coming up from last week from the engine. So they got a couple of codes popped up on the dash. That's what we're gonna check it out, what's happening with it. And now they're going to come to us because we do the authentic Subaru fluid maintenance, any of the filters, engine job. As you guys know, we already built a BRZ in February this year. So this is one of the kind production by Subaru with a rare color, hyper blue. So we're going to do a oil change on this one, and we're going to diag what's happening with those obviously codes, and that's what we're going to do on this one. If you guys do have any of the Subarus, especially like this STIs, don't forget Mrik Auto going to help you out with everything from bumper to bumper. On to the next car.
Hello everybody, here I have the Dodge Ram 1500 EcoDiesel, and this engine rebuild we did, we broke it into pieces. We broke it a lot, and then we took those screws and replaced them with brand new ones. We had a new crankshaft, new bearings, and we had new other stuff on this truck. Not all new, but we got stuff, and now we hooked it up on this. We put it back, screwed everything. Every bolts are good. Everything is fine. And now we're gonna assemble both of these, put them together. So if you want this on your Ram 1500 EcoDiesel 3-liter V6, book your appointment and call us at 647-708-1300. Book your appointment. Bye.